So hold on. Nobody now gonna talk about it. Nobody now gonna talk about how the boy FOOTA HYPE get box up over Cockburn Pen. So from there they big up the wrong done. Dog, you can't do a Cockburn Pen and not big up the right done. That's like you're a Waltham and a big up Sea View more than Waltham. You forget box. Someone on a selector, and that you don't forget. I tell you why you don't need to forget box up. You see when people book on for them party, and come late, 3 o'clock, because the whole on run down the hype segment part, you don't forget box. Furthermore, you just reach, run gone in the dagger segment. Box! Because no fun no for us chill, calm and juggle. Make people go to the bar and go buy something for drink. This one bag of dagger this and dagger that and bad man this. Everybody are run for play the same bad man tune. Box! You don't have talent, dog. Utilize it. People no book selector for them make money alone. People want to make money. The fuck you feel like? Box! Bumbucklad. And on a selector. When they are party, I show what half of people and other selector. Box! Box! Cut it out. Nobody don't want to hear about Uno lifestyle. Nobody don't want to hear nothing about Uno. The people who book Uno, chat about them. Chat about some other shit. Box! And further on, the one bag of chatting. Nobody don't want to hear a bag of chatting. Play a tune. People book Uno for play a song. Box! People don't want to hear the one bag of chatting. Cut it out. Cut out the fuckery chatting, the fuckery tune them. Juggle, going at the segment right. You if you know when to slow down, you if you know when to turn it up, and if you don't know, box! Boy, FOOTA HYPE, you go low, you deserve the whole of them box there. You can't violate Bumbuckler, Cockburn Pen, boss. You can't do it. You deserve the whole of them box there. And any DJ, when you like this, you forget box! Because you know, say the truth, man, attack. And next thing, too, the young artists, them a come up, you know, and them not take no check. At 2014, when man go on the tune for play, and around play it, without even listen to it, box! I'm not gonna say every man tune, you know, for squeeze, and, you know what I mean, at least get a listen and say, yo, doggy, this not shot, this not make it, I'm not gonna take a chance with it, love it. But you can't just take a man tune and not say nothing and I go like, you know, run it. The man them don't want to come up to box. And for the whole I know, just can't pull off a decent DJ thing. You don't forget a bag of box. Box!